If you're wondering what Google just added in the June 2026 Pixel feature drop, this video is for you. Because honestly, this is one of the biggest Pixel updates of the year, bringing new AI tools, multitasking feature, creative upgrades, and several improvements. For Pixel phones and Pixel watches, the update began rolling out alongside Android 17 and includes a long list of new features for supported Pixel devices. So let's go through everything that changed. First one of the biggest new features is called Screen Reactions. This allows you to record your screen while simultaneously adding a selfie video from the front camera directly into the recording without needing a separate editing app. It's essentially a built-in reaction video tool designed for creators, gamers, and anyone who wants to make social media content more easily. Another major addition is something called Bubbles. This feature allows supported apps to float on top of other apps, making multitasking much easier. Instead of constantly switching between applications, you can keep conversations and tasks accessible. While working on something else, Google has also introduced special multitasking improvements for foldable Pixel devices, including an enhanced bubble bar experience. Now let's talk about AI because this update is packed with it. One of the headline additions is Gemini Omni. This new tool can help create and edit videos using AI through simple conversational prompts. Users can combine text images and video clips to generate new content or modify existing videos directly through Gemini. Google is also introducing Lyria 3, an AI-powered music generation tool that can create original songs and audio tracks from text descriptions or images. This is one of Google's most ambitious AI features yet, and it's aimed at creators who want to experiment with music production. Another useful improvement arrives in Google Photos. Pixel users can now access more conversational photo editing tools, allowing edits to be made using natural language instructions instead of manually adjusting every setting themselves. Google has also expanded several communication features, including Voice Translate, which is becoming available on additional devices and regions, making real-time language translation more accessible for users. Call-related features are also receiving upgrades, including broader availability of Call Screen, Take a Message, and Custom Voicemail Greeting, helping users manage calls more efficiently and avoid unwanted interruptions. Now let's talk about safety, because Google added important improvements here. 2 emergency features can now provide better notifications to emergency contacts when events such as fall detection, car crash detection, or loss of pulse detection are triggered on supported Pixel devices. And Pixel watches? Another feature getting attention is expanded file sharing. Google is improving quick share compatibility, making it easier to share content across different devices and ecosystems. The update also includes numerous bug fixes, performance improvements, camera fixes, battery optimizations, display improvements, and general stability enhancements across supported Pixel devices. And of course, all of this arrives alongside Android 17, which brings additional security, multitasking, and system-wide improvements to the Pixel ecosystem. So to summarize, the June 2026 Pixel feature drop introduces Screen Reactions Bubbles, Multitasking Gemini, Omni Video Creation Lyria 3 AI Music Generation, better Google Photos editing, expanded Voice Translate, new call features, enhanced safety tools, improved sharing, and dozens of system improvements. Because honestly, if you own a Pixel phone, this is one of the most feature-packed updates Google has released in a long time.